In India, we still have got a good amount of people buying TVs or upgrading their television sets. And the reason why I'm doing this particular video today is to check how many of you would actually go for a TV or would look for a projector screen as an option. And if at all you are thinking of either of these two, what is it or what are the factors that you have to consider while making any of your decisions for TV and projector screen? But before I begin, let me introduce myself. Hello everyone, my name is Tanmay Mehta, your home cinema technology consultant or home theatre wale bhaiya. Now I have been into this industry since last 9 years, and out of my interactions with more than thousands of customers across India, what I realized is that many of you all, okay, let me take that honestly. So many of you all are still looking for TV as the ultimate source of the video system while you are enjoying your upgrades of the home theatre system. Now the primary reason of people sticking to TV is that we know for a fact that TV, having the light source right in front of it, even with all the lights on, you will be able to enjoy it. And with the TV sizes ranging from 43 inches all the way up to 85 to 98 inches, TV has still been one of the primary products consumed in the maximum living rooms of India. Because living room is one of the primary area wherein people would want to have TV. Though there has been a slight change in the market wherein they are moving for a dedicated TV room, media room, and TVs are also getting pushed into the bedrooms. So the living room is still not dying, and maximum of the people are still buying TVs for their living rooms. Now, on an average in India last year 2021, there was a purchase of more than 2 crores of television sets. Yes, 2 crore 23 lakhs to be very precise. Now these are some ratings done by values achieved by the marketing agencies who are into data research and centers. So 2 crore 23 lakhs for TVs in only 1 year. Now for a country with 130 crore of population, that's pretty big number spending on TVs. If I have to actually talk about projector, guess how much would be the projector's percentage when compared to this TV market? Let me know in the comments that what do you think is the number of projector, home theatre projector consumption in India, and let's see who gets out that very closely. If you want to know the right number, then make sure to stay till the end of this video wherein I'm going to share with you the right number of the home theatre projectors that are sold in 1 year, that is 2021 in India. Now coming back to the TV versus projector screen war, let me tell you one thing for sure. Those of you who are buying TVs or have got TV as the only source of entertainment in their house, do not opt to change for a projector screen. Okay, because TV is still going to be necessary in every household of India, because most of the people who in your homes or the relatives, friends who come over, they are used to operating TVs, and getting adapted with a projector screen technology would be a little difficult. Now, primarily the TV versus screen or the projector screen is an option for those of you who has already got one TV in the entire house. So if you have got one TV in the house, then make sure that projector screen is something that you evaluate as a secondary option. Now where can you evaluate that? Well, let me put out it this way. If you have got an existing living room TV which you are planning to upgrade from a 49 inches to a 75 inches, now the amount of money that you would spend on a 75 inches honestly is going to be 2 lakh rupees at least. Even if you opt for a lowest Chinese product, it will still be around 1.5 to 2 lakh rupees. The amount, this same amount, if you invest in a projector, you are able to buy a 4K enhanced projector with a 100 or 120 inches diagonal size based upon your viewing distance. Now if you want to know how much is the viewing distance based upon your room, make sure to check this particular link above, wherein we have done a special video about the projector distance and the screen distance calculation. Okay, coming back. So if at all upgrading the TV is not feasible to a 75 inches 2 lakh rupees TV, opt for a projector screen, because nowadays you get projectors which can work very well in the living rooms, has got good high brightness, can be watched during daytimes, night times, as well as can give you a 120 or 100 inches of a very sharp picture which can be seen even in TVs, can be replicated on the projector screen. So TV versus projector screen can surely make an edge while upgrading your old TV. Now, similar to this, we have also seen the rise of OLED versus QLED in the Indian markets. Now, OLED and QLEDs are very, very expensive, as we all know. Now, that technology undoubtedly is very nice, but yet again, the light source is right in front of you and you can't create darkness in the room while watching TVs. With a projector screen, the light source is in the projector's lamp or the laser technology, and what you see on the screen is the reflection. Now, the reflection will obviously come out more prominently as in how the room is dark, but even if it is not, you will still see a better image quality and it will not hurt your eyes as much as a regular TV would do. Now, out of the 22.3 million TVs that were sold in India in 2021, only 4 million TVs are above 55 inches. That means this particular video, wherein we are talking about projector versus screen, are for the people who are actually looking to buy TV which is 55 inches and above. And I would still take people of 49 inches in this particular bracket. The reason being, if at all you're looking to buy a separate 49 inches TV in your bedroom, that's where again you can opt for a projector screen and a soundbar, because I know for a fact that today for the OTT shows that we are consuming, living room may not be the appropriate place to watch, and people would want to have that experience in the bedroom, and that experience still deserves a projector screen experience and it cannot be matched with the TV. So yes, 49 inches to some extent, but primarily 55 inches and above is the crowd wherein, you know, I would say that look for change from a projector, from a TV to a projector screen. So if at all you're looking for TVs which is from 55 inches all the way up to 98 inches, then considering a projector screen would be a viable option for you. But to those of you who are buying the first TV in their house, or are, you know, buying a TV in another room which is less than 43 inches, economically also the projector screen may not be a viable option, and you would want to then still stick to the TV as a primary feature. Now, as I said, the projectors number in India is close to 20,000 units in 1 year itself. Okay. Now, this number is increasing at an average rate of 8 to 10% every year, which means that the projector consumption is increasing in the home cinema markets. That is for a simple reason, because OTT is increasing. The theatre movies are getting released on OTT platform within a month. So making people, you know, arrange get-togethers, gatherings in their house and pull down the screen and watch a movie. So that kind of experience is possible only with your projector screen. TVs are still something which people would want to buy, and I would say would stay here forever. That is something which is not going to go away. But if you see the recent ultra short throw projectors, that is something which is actually changing the way a living room TV would also look like. So a living room TV, instead of a regular TV, people are just opting for ultra short throw projectors with an ALR screen, which is ALR for ultra short throw. So with that, they are able to get 100 inches screen size available, which is very, very sharp even in the living rooms. And the cost factor is very much still in the range of your 75 to 85 inches OLED or QLED TV. So in case, as I said, if you are the first time buyer for a TV, or that's the only TV in your house, stick to TV and do not look for a projector screen. But to those of you who are looking for TV as a secondary option in the bedrooms, projector screen is something which you can evaluate if your TV size is beyond 49 inches. And to those of you who want to upgrade the living room TV, I think projector screen will always be a better choice by keeping your old TV behind and by having a projector screen which rolls down in front of the TV. And I hope that this video helps you all make a wise, well-informed and correct decisions when it comes to buying anything to everything in the home cinema category. And to know more about these kind of technologies, make sure to subscribe and watch the next video that would be shared with you. And I, Tanmay Mehta, your home technology consultant or home theatre wale bhaiya, will see you all in my next video. Thank you.